used to do this as a kid. Don't know if I can do it now. It's kind of scary. Anybody behind me?
Nope.
It was at this moment that Logan knew. He fucked up.
And that hit session is over with, guys. Absolutely love those things, man. Went back to boxing. I got into boxing a couple of months ago and I absolutely love it. It's an absolute killer workout. The only thing though, they have one punching bag upstairs and there's always like group classes. There's always yoga, body pump, like all this crazy classes up top. So if I don't ever get here in time, I can't go up there because I don't want to be the one that's like boxing while people are trying to do yoga. You know, I don't want to be that dude. Don't be that dude. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys are all having an awesome day. If you are watching this, yes, I am talking to you. Look at me, I'm talking to you. If you're watching this right now, you know what that means, guys. That means that you woke up today. So all your stress, all your problems, yes, your problems that they cannot faze you, because you, me, we're all winning, baby. So now that we got that out the way, guys, we can start our day. So you guys know I am doing the carnivore diet. For those of you who are new, I am a big believer in the ketogenic diet. I've been doing keto for about 3 years, and I just kind of like got curious and I wanted to do the carnivore diet. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I just got back from vacation. I was going crazy when I was on vacation. I was eating anything I saw. I was on the seafood diet. Even though, yes, I was out at sea, I was literally eating anything I saw. Hey, but that's okay, guys. Vacation, you only live once. Enjoy your life. So that being said, got back, jumped on the carnivore diet. Everything's going good so far. A lot of you were asking, how's my strength? My strength is going up, although I feel like I'm eating a lot more food. And so for those of you, I want to ask you this question, guys. I want you to leave it in the comments if you know the answer to this question. And one person said, hey, Logan, when you do the carnivore diet, calories and your macros are not really something that you should be worrying about. You should really just focus on getting carnivore approved foods into your body. So don't worry about protein, don't worry about fat. Obviously no carbs because you're not eating any carbs. So that being said, if you guys know the answer, let me know in the comments below. I read through all your comments, guys. You guys are so helpful. You help me out, you help other subscribers out, so you guys are awesome. This community that we have built is amazing. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. One other thing, for all my South Texas people, Corpus Christi area, I will be in Corpus Christi this Saturday, guys, at the Complete Nutrition. I'll put the details right here. Boom. I'll be there from 12 to 3, guys. I want to see you there. I know that I have a lot of people in the Corpus Christi area that do the ketogenic diet, and they're always saying, hey, when are you gonna come to Corpus? Well, here I am, guys. I'm finally gonna go, so I hope to see you guys there. If you're gonna be there, let me know in the comments below. Like I said, all the details right here. I hope to see you there. My goodness, guys, do not be jealous. You know I tell you this all the time. Do not be jealous, guys. Look at this food. So for the first meal today, guys, we have 1 pound of brisket. We went with the fatty kind, and then we also have 4 eggs, and then we have 1 big sausage link chopped up with the eggs. This is gonna be the first meal of the day. Carnivore gains, man. I gotta dig into this. I went outside, took pictures for the gram. You know what? You know what they don't tell you about YouTube, guys, when you start a YouTube channel? Get used to eating cold food, because you gotta film it, you gotta get all the angles, you gotta go take a picture for the gram, so that by the time you eat this, it's probably cold. Also, macros for this meal, boom, right there. Guys, how many of you, just let me know, is this just me or is there other people like me out there? When you go to a barbecue joint, you ask for the burntest brisket piece. I'm telling you guys, everywhere I go, I was like, yo, give me some brisket, but I want the burnt, crispiest piece you got. And this is it. My favorite, my absolute favorite. Please, Comment down below. Is it just me? Am I weird? Or do any of y'all do the same thing as me? All right, guys, so me and my cousin Manny, we're about to head to the river, but as I'm just saying that, this thing is literally taking off in the air, and I gotta switch the camera around. There he goes, there he goes. Check him out. Oh, where's he going? Where's he going? All right, so like I was saying, it is just ridiculously hot here in Texas, man. Just like so freaking hot. It's like 105 degrees. The only way to enjoy being outside is you have to be close to a body of water. Luckily, we're blessed to live in beautiful, beautiful San Marcos, Texas with a beautiful cold river. I think it stays like, what, 72 degrees all year round, which is really, it doesn't sound cold, but I'm telling you guys, it's really cold, even when it's 100 degrees outside. Swimming is like the best cardio, I'm telling you. The reason why swimming is the best cardio, because it's like fun. Who doesn't love to swim? I mean, how old do you have to be to like not like swimming? So as you know, I just got back from the Caymans not too long ago, and I'm telling you guys, if you've not come to San Marcos and checked out our river, it is one of the cleanest rivers in Texas. Look at that. You can see to the ground. Look at all the way over there. That's about 6-7 feet deep. You can see all the way to the ground. I'm telling you, we have the best rivers in Texas, bar none. Mark it, book it, come visit San Marcos. All right, guys, so the one thing about getting to the river, you just got to jump in. Don't put your feet in, just go for it, bro. This is my kind of workout, guys. Moving these. And as you guys know, as you get it more above the water, it gets heavier. So the higher you got it, the more work you're doing. My type of cardio. I'm telling you guys, this is the best, man. Nothing beats coming to the river when it's 100+ degrees outside. So we did HIIT cardio this morning. We did a little bit of cardio on the treadmill this morning. We're here at the river. Today's energy expenditure has just been out the roof, and it's been fun. Like literally, like I'm literally exercising in the water, and I can't even tell. That's the type of cardio I like to do. Exercise, have a good time, enjoy this hot summer days here in Texas. Peace. You know, so one thing about swimming at the river all day is that you get really, really, really hungry. And so I'm pulling up to my favorite chicken place here in town. I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on this place. Place is at a gas station, but don't let that fool you. The best chicken in town, hands down. El Pollo Reyes, am I saying that right? El Pollo Reyes. I know I sound like a coconut, but yeah, best chicken in town. Hello, can I get a half chicken, just the chicken by itself, no rice, no beans? What's up? What's up?
I had your shorts on.
One thing, guys, that I have noticed since I've started this carnivore diet, it is week 2. I've been really hungry, and I talked a little bit about this on my Instagram live this morning. If I had to guess why my appetite is so high, well, one, let's just clarify this, and I've learned this from you guys. The carnivore diet and the keto diet are completely different. They are not the same. Yes, you're eating a lot of meats and you're not eating carbs, just like a keto diet, but they're not alike. I thought the carnivore diet was like pretty much just pretty much a keto diet, but it's not. And the reason why I say that is because everybody was hitting me up saying, hey, don't worry about protein, don't worry about your macros and percentages and that, just make sure you're eating carnivore approved foods. So that's what I'm doing. So yes, my protein is a lot higher. So you guys understand, when I was doing the ketogenic diet, my protein was roughly around 100 to like 120, which is pretty low. It really stayed around 100. Now that I've done the carnivore diet and I've been tracking my food, it's always close to 200, if not more. So I think with that added protein, it's just making my appetite go like skyrocket. So I'm always hungry. I'm always wanting to eat a lot of food. For this meal, guys, I got a half chicken, as you guys can see, with skin, and then I also got a half avocado. I am gonna eat the skin. I am gonna eat all this chicken. I know this is a lot of protein, but like you guys mentioned in the comments, I'm not gonna worry about protein. I'm just gonna make sure I'm eating carnivore foods, and yeah, so I'm gonna dig in. Actually, you know what? Now that I just said that, I don't think I can have this avocado. I don't think an avocado is carnivore approved. Sorry, I'm gonna put this back in the refrigerator. Can't have this. Scratch that avocado. Just gonna have this half chicken with skin. We're gonna dig in. We'll see you in a bit. Oh my gosh. So tired, I can't. I can't even think. Oh my gosh.
Okay, do it. How many fingers am I holding up? We have to spin you. How many fingers are we holding up?
You're 3.
Okay, you can see.
Were you holding up 3?
Yes.
Just guess. Where do we go?
Doing this. No, do it. Like I'm gonna do one right. We got a. No, we gotta rearrange them. I think 4 steps. You yeah, 4 steps. 4.
Okay. All right, here I go. Oh. Oh. Okay.
You have to make it all the way across.
I didn't step on it. I didn't step on it. Oh my god. It's stuck on me. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. What's up, guys? Back in the gym. It is leg day here with Isaiah. Flip that camera on. Say what's up.
What up?
So, yep, we're already done warming up, guys. We're gonna jump into our, actually no, I need one more warm up, 315. We're gonna go for 1. I think I'm gonna go about 365. I'm gonna start off at 365 and then work my way up. The goal is to maybe do 375 for 6, but who knows? Enough talking, Logan. Oh, wait. Appreciate my lifting shorts, bro. Look at these things. You didn't know these are also swimming trunks and perfect leg day shorts. Let's do this. All right, guys, so here we go. This is the last set. We're going for 385 for 6. I think this is like my all-time PR. When me and Isaiah first started lifting, we were doing like a bulking series, and this is pretty much what I was at. So, yeah, I haven't got this in about a year. Let's go. As the day fades, I am lost. We fight this daily battle. These feelings come unraveled. It's more than we can handle.
save me? Can you save me from this tangled reality? Can we break free? We break free. Tangled reality.
And we're done. Oh, good workout.
Later.
Later. See you tomorrow. Later. Peace. All right, guys, so we just got some Mamacitas. Ordered me a big, tall glass of water. Crystal got some chips. She got some hot sauce, and I'm telling you guys, that hot sauce is to die for. I wish I could have it. You're lucky. You're lucky. You can probably hear the fajitas sizzling right now. Rice and beans, I don't know why they gave this to me. Not gonna eat that, but I am gonna eat this sour cream. I am gonna eat this cheese, and then I'm gonna eat the beef side. Crystal's gonna eat the chicken side. But this is it, guys. This is the last meal of the day. Macros, boom, right there. We're gonna dig in, have a good time with the wife, eat this dinner. Babe, are you excited?
Yes, and I'm gonna eat some of the beef.
Babe, you've been craving beef. I don't know what it is. Like, you've been craving beef, you've been craving chicken fajitas. So you finally got it. You happy?
Everything.
I know a lot of you thinking she's pregnant. You're thinking she's pregnant. She's not. At least I don't think she is. All right, guys, we're gonna dig in before it gets cold. Cheers. Huh? Faster? 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 Okay, faster, faster.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. Dad, 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 dad. Dad, 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 dad. Dad, 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 dad. All right, guys, so we're gonna wrap up this video like this, going for our evening walk. Hey, don't run into the cactus. You almost ran into the cactus, girlfriend. Yeah, so we're gonna end this video like this, guys. Thank you if you made it this far through the video. It means so much to me. Like I said, we really do appreciate it. Crystal appreciates it. Baby Lo appreciates it. And I definitely appreciate it. So yes, week 2 of the carnivore diet. Kind of quick little summary. Eating a lot more. I think that's because my protein has gone up so much. It's just made me like so hungry, but we are getting stronger in the gym, so that's a good thing. So we're gonna see how long this lasts, guys. We're gonna try this for about another 3 weeks. And then after that, I'll kind of give my like summary on like the whole carnivore diet. Thank you for watching. We love you. Baby Lo loves you. Right, baby?
Yeah.
We all love you, and we all hope you have a great day. Peace.